KOPN stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. First things first with Kopin Corporation. 17% up is sick, but let's look at the broader picture. Now, I've made more videos than anyone else in the space with the most proof documented, without, by the way, 39,000 videos. I have all the proof to back it up. This in particular, it's exactly how it's looking like. It's a weekly chart, right? And we can argue that slowly but surely it can definitely start to kind of creep up and pick up. And even if I come here, well, look, like I was just waiting for the second break. I didn't get it, and it was fine that I didn't get it, because it just quite the opposite happened. And that's why I love my approach, right? Because no trades, no rules met, no trades taken. Simple. It happens at this demand, and this is like now what I like. If I see corrections, I'm further looking to take things up, because we already saw the first break, and I do feel like I'm kind of late, but at least something is better than nothing. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.